Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch a manta ray in Fish It Roblox. So the manta ray is one of the mythic tire fish in Fish It. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact location, the bait trick, and also the bass road that you need to catch this mythic tire fish. So first, for the location, the manta ray is one of the fish from the ocean. So you guys can see it here, and it can be caught anytime with any weather. And for the best road, for the road that I use to get the manta ray, I'm using the element road with the singularity bait. And as for the exact location, you can just go to where the ghost shark hand located or the Megalodon hand located. But as for me, I got it while I fish in the worm hand location. So you can just choose between those three to get the manta ray. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.